Welcome my dear students of class 10. This is your math class of day number 24. In this class I am going to discuss some theorems of triangle of NCERT book. So please open your NCERT book, page number 131, theorem 6.3. Okay, theorem 6.3. If in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio and hence two triangles are similar. देखो two triangles similar के लिए we need the condition respective angles are equal and respective sides are in proportion. इधर given तो two triangle corresponding angles are equal. You need to prove that respective sides are in same ratio or in proportion. Then two triangles are similar. Okay, so first mark here ABC and DEF are two triangles. Okay, so first write here given ABC and DEF are two triangles. A angle is equal with D angle, B angle is equal with E angle, C angle is equal with F angle. Respective angles are equal here. Then to prove, our aim to prove that first option respective side. देखो A B का respective here DE, so AB by DE is equal with BC by EF is equal with AC by DF. First option AB by DE equal to BC by EF is equal with AC by DF. First option. Then second option here, triangle ABC similar with the triangle DEF. ABC similar with DEF. Given complete, then to prove complete, then come to construction. Take a point P on DE and Q on DF in such a way that DP is equal with AP and DQ is equal with AC. Okay, so you take a point P on DE and Q on DF in such a way that DP equal to AP and AC is equal with DQ. Okay, given to prove complete, then come to proof. Then come to proof. In triangle ABC and DEF, okay, so first A angle is equal with D angle. A angle is equal with D angle. AB is equal with DP by construction. AC is equal with DQ by also construction. So if we take triangle ABC and DPQ, these two triangles are congruent by side angle side congruence criteria. Okay, so first write here in triangle ABC and triangle DPQ, AB is equal with dp because of construction. AC is equal with dq because also construction. A angle equal to D angle because also given. So by side angle side congruence criteria, triangle BAC congruent with the triangle PDQ. As two triangles are congruent, so due to CPCT, B angle equal to P angle and C angle equal to Q angle. But given that P angle is equal with E angle, you write here. But given that P angle is equal with E angle and but given that B angle equal to E angle and C angle equal to F angle implies देखो इधर B angle P angle से equal, B angle E angle से equal. That's why comparing we get here P angle equal to E angle and Q angle equal to F angle. Confirm this. But these are corresponding angle. As corresponding angles are equal, so we write PQ. Okay. So as corresponding angles are equal, so PQ parallel with EF. PQ parallel with EF. Confirm this. As PQ parallel F, so by Thales theorem we can write dP by PE. dP by PE, okay, is equal with, direct you just write here dP by DE is equal with dQ by dF, which equal, देखो dP is equal with AB, so in place of dP you write here AB by DE is equal with DQ also equal with AC, DQ also equal with AC, so you write here AC by DF, this equation. Okay, you get here AB by DE equal to AC by DF. So similarly, if we draw the construction here, if in place of PQ, if you just take in EF and DF, we able to write. But बस इतने के बाद you just write similarly. We able to prove that AB by DE is equal with BC by EF. BC by EF. This equation 2. Okay. Comparing equation 1 and 2, we have get. Comparing equation 1 and 2, we have get AB by DE equal to BC by EF. BC by EF equal to AC by DF. This equation 3 and proved 1. Okay, so इधर first option था, we need to prove that the corresponding sides are equal. So prove हो गया. As two triangle respective angles are equal, you write here. Given that A angle equal to D angle, B angle equal to E angle, C angle equal to F angle, implies triangle ABC similar with the triangle DEF. Confirm this. Okay, mark here. So for similar triangle के लिए we need two conditions, respective angles are equal and corresponding sides are in ratios. That's why we write this. Confirm this. Okay, next theorem 6.4. Theorem 6.3 का just reverse here 6.4. theorem 6.4. देखो पेज नंबर 132 of your NCERT book. If in two triangle sides of one triangle are proportional in the same ratios, then side of the other triangle, then their corresponding angles are equal and hence two triangles are similar. Mark here these two triangles here. This one A, this one B, this one C. Another triangle here D, E, F. Okay, so here corresponding sides are in proportion. We need to prove that corresponding angles are equal, then two triangles are similar. Okay, so first you write here theorem 6.4. Given in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, AB by DE equal to BC by EF equal to SC by DF. Okay, given complete. Then to prove, we have to prove that first option here. Suppose this one less than 1, that means AB is less than DE, BC is less than EF, AC is less than DF. Indirectly, AC is the triangle less than or smaller than triangle DEF. Okay, first option here, our aim to prove that corresponding angles are equal. A angle is equal with the D angle, B angle is equal with the E angle, and C angle is equal with the F angle. A angle equal to D angle, B angle equal to E angle, and C angle is equal with the EF. Given complete, to prove complete, then construction. Take a point P on DE and Q on DF in such a way that DP is equal with AB and DQ is equal with AC. This one P, this one Q. Okay, given complete, to prove complete, construction complete. Then come to proof. देखो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन हियर, तो गिवन हियर AB by DE is equal with AC by DF. इधर 3 पार्ट था, we just take here 2 part. From given we write here AB by DE equal to AC by DF. But by construction AB is equal to DP, so in place of AB you write DP. DP by DE is equal with AC by DF. AC is equal to DQ. DQ by DF. Okay, mark here. In triangle DEF, DP by DE equal to DQ by DF. So by reverse Thales theorem implies PQ parallel with EF. As PQ parallel with EF, so their corresponding angles are equal. That means P angle is equal with E angle, Q angle is equal with F angle. Implies P angle is equal with E angle and Q angle is equal with F angle. Okay, so P angle is equal with E angle and Q angle is equal with F angle. Confirm this first. After this, so then you just try to prove. Okay, our aim to prove that, so this E angle, okay, here DPQ triangle similar with triangle DEF. Why? First you know that mark here. So P angle is equal with E angle. Q angle equal to F angle, D angle equal to D angle because of common. So उसका जो previous जो theorem जो 6.3 था, if corresponding angles are equal, then triangles are similar. Okay, that's why you write here triangle DPQ cos similar with DEF. As two triangles are similar, then their respective sides are in ratio equal. So we can write DP by DE is equal with DQ by EF is equal with PQ by EF. This equation 1. But given okay, so here given that in place of DP you write AB by DE is in place of DQ you write AC by EF equal to PQ by EF. This equation 1, not this one. Equation 1. But given that AB by DE is equal with AC by DF, here DQ mark here DP by DE equal to DQ by DF, not EF, sorry, DF, this one DF. Okay, so AC by DF is equal with BC by EF. This equation. देखो comparing equation 1 and 2, we have get AB by D, AC by DF. Here PQ by EF. Here वो दोनों का denominator equal, so numerator equal. So comparing equation 1 and 2, we have get. So PQ is equal with BC. Confirm this. As PQ equal to BC, so triangle ABC congruent with the triangle DPQ by side congruence criteria. Why? Here AB equal to DP. You need not write here. Okay, here AB equal to DP because of construction, AC equal to DQ because of construction, and BC equal to PQ because B for proof. So by side congruence criteria, triangle ABC congruent with DPQ. As two triangles are congruent, so respective angles are equal. A angle equal to D angle, B angle equal to P angle, P angle and C angle equal to Q angle. Now A angle equal to D angle, B angle equal to, देखो P angle is equal with E angle, you already proved this. So P angle equal to E angle and C angle equal to Q angle, but Q is equal with P, so this one F angle. Hence already देखो your respective angles are equal, you get here proved 1 implies triangle ABC similar with DEF. Understand this? Okay, thank you.